Today, guys, it's going to be an amazing day. Hopefully, guys, we can find something great. If not, as always, we've been blessed and we've been blessed with a lot more. So, guys, let's get started with our dumpster diving adventure. I am almost there. I am almost there. Oh my goodness, guys. I am almost at my 10,000 followers on Instagram. And I thank you guys so very much for your help. I am so excited, guys. This milestone is so awesome for me because now once I get to the 10,000 followers mark, then I'll be able to have access to a lot of different features on the Instagram platform, which means that my content on Instagram will be a little bit more intriguing. But yes, guys, I just wanted to stop right in the middle of my dumpster diving adventure to give thanks to those that helped me get to that goal. You guys are awesome. You guys, I keep telling you guys, I got the best YouTube subscribers on the YouTube platform. If you are not following me on Instagram, guys, please do so under Mom the eBayer 101. Check me out, guys. Make sure you comment over there. Make sure you share my Instagram page, guys. Because as you guys know, I enjoy interacting with you guys. I really do. All right. So without further ado, guys, let's continue on with this dumpster diving adventure. I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you guys so much. All right. I love you guys. Peace. Okay. What do we have here? We have some Lang. I guess these are some ski shoes that I will be taking. Oh, these things are super heavy. I'm going to sit that here. And then we have this one right here. I'm not sure if they're working or not, but we'll check that out a little later. We're going to take that one though. Put that one right there. And then in here, what do we have? Junk. And here we have some stuff. Let's see. We have, what is this? It says Verdian Power with Purpose, team or someone's work portfolio. And then in here we also have some stuff. Let's see, we have a bucket, workhorse bucket. And then in here, guys, we have some more stuff. Some baseball cards, cool. We also have this alarm clock, cool. Johnny Black Label whiskey container. I like it because it's metal. So, but it's broken. Let's see if it'll open. No, it's broken. And as you can see, they cut off the lock here. So, let's see if it'll open. Let me check it out. Oh. All right, guys. So, there it goes. It does open and close, which is a good thing. You can tell that they tried to take out whatever was in there, probably something valuable. Then we have a bunch of baseball cards. And we have this white work shirt there. And then we have more stuff in here. What's in this box? Right here. We have a green box. In it. It says on the top, find personalized stationery, and then it's some stationery that they tore up in pieces. But we also have the stock cards here that I will be taking, and we can use those for whatever. This shirt here, guys, is still on the hanger, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this bag, guys. Look inside, but it's pretty heavy. All right, let's go ahead and put that in there. Still have stuff from yesterday's dive in there, so I gotta go and take it to the donation center. Some black paper. Okay. All right, so that's it. In the for the recycling can. Let me go ahead and close my door. Although I'm close by, I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Then over here, guys, we have more stuff We have so many shirts on this ground here that can be used or donated. I'll see if my husband or my son want, if they'll want them. If not, then we can always take these to the thrift store. We have those. We have these pants here that's all raggedy, messed up. We're gonna put those in the trash. I don't understand why the person just threw all this stuff out and threw it on the ground. Is that white still? Let's see. No, it's no longer white. But is it? Coming behind the garbage here to get the sun out of the... No, it's no longer white. It's yellow. So, can't do anything with that. Trash. Have some shorts here. Ripped and damaged. Okay. The rest of this stuff is gonna go in the trash, but I will be taking these work shirts here. Cool. Wait a minute. Oh, we still have more stuff in here. I'm sorry. Let's keep looking. And then here, guys, we have some LED lights, a bunch of construction stuff that I will be keeping here. Then we have this vacuum cleaner. Not sure if it's working. I will test that out. Let's look at... Nope, not working apparently. Yeah, that's going back to the trash bin. Sit that there. All right, let's go ahead and look in here. Dom Perignon. Oh, I wonder if the box is worth something. I don't know, it says 1998, vintage. Okay, the box may be worth something. Go ahead and sit that in there. Yeah, a bunch of construction stuff there. All right, let's go over here and take a look. Empty. What is this here? It's a box. Empty box. Okay, I see something in here, guys. Let's go ahead and take a deeper look. This is what caught my attention. This actually pretty cool top. I promise you, I'm sure somebody can find some awesome things to do with that. What? I don't know. I can't see it right now, but I'm sure somebody else can probably see it and make wonders out of it. So donate it. You have your arts and craft people that would love to take and use this for something. All right, let's go ahead and take this and put it in the truck. Have some stuff over here. It was just thrown all over the place. This is a dog collar here. No, nothing over there. We have these shoes right here that's damaged. Well, these are... No, look, holes. Okay. Put it right over here. These look like some blinds. Yeah, some damaged blinds. What is this? I actually like this. It's like burlap almost. You can use it for arts and crafts. Always can create something with this. I saw a lot of DIY projects where a person will take this burlap and they will make cover things with it, or just make some really cool, neat projects with it. more food in here. Okay. All right, guys, let's go ahead and move around. All right, let's go over there and see. I see some pillars. You guys see those pillars right there? Let's see. Ooh. Those are nice. Yes, I will be taking those for sure. Look at these guys. These are nice. Look. Oh, dadgummit. Look at that. But I don't think that matters because I can easily hide it like that. Look, nobody can tell that that's like that in the back. Right? Yep. All right, let me go ahead and take those boys. All right, let's go ahead and get them. But ours is my favorite. Isn't that nice? Oh my God. That's awesome. Let's go ahead and move around. Oh my goodness. Those were awesome. That was awesome. And those pillars were really, really nice. They were imported from Mexico. That's what the bottom said. Oh my goodness. Whew. Look at all of that stuff back there, guys. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's clean up our mess. Yuck. Oh, did they throw out a game system? Let's see. Push it over some so it won't be in the middle of the street. So this is a condo. In the back of a condo. What are these guys? Let's see what those are. Let me continue to keep looking first. Like a, not sure what it is, but I see a price tag. All right, so I see more stuff in those bags too. Let's see. All right. Get that one out. Look like a towel. I'm not sure though. And then let's see what's in here. More stuff in there, like clothes. All right, guys. So I told you that I will pull to the side and see exactly what we had in this bag, and that's what I'm going to do right now. This really cool skirt, really pretty skirt here. Yeah, and then we also have these Ayubalita. Never heard of Abulita. Nestle hot chocolate tablets. Here doesn't have an expiration date on them. So, oh, here it is. So these are old. They expired in 2018. So we're gonna toss those. And we have this really nice black vest here. Doesn't have a size, but it's a nice little quilted vest here. We have someone's credit card that's going to the garbage. Some trash, I believe. Yeah, making sure nothing is inside. Yeah, that's all trash. Okay. And then we have this Morona. Look like a shirt. Some type of shirt, something like that. Then we have this vintage red shirt. Really nice. Size large. Really cool. They threw away a lot of clothes. We have these Under Armour shorts here, size medium. We have this bag by Lululemon. We donated as well. Then we have this shirt here, guys, by High Life, slim fit. Really nice quality shirt. I'm not sure I can fit that. Let's see what size is that. That's a 14 and a half. And then we have this red dress by Crew Cut, size 14. Really nice. I love this blinged out collar here. Really cute dress. And have this beautiful army fatigue jacket that I love, and I will keep this. Look at that. Let's see what's the size. Yep. It's really pretty. I love this. Then we have, I'm not sure what that's for, but we have that. Another Lululemon bag. Then we have this really cool hat. I really like this hat. This pretty shirt here. I thought it was a scarf at first, but it's a shirt. Then you have this blinged out halter shirt here with the sequins. And then we have a penguin shirt here, really nice penguin shirt. Oh, these are some nice shoes. Size 9.5 medium in men's. Cole Haan. Nice. Here's the other one here. They have a little discoloration right there, but I'm sure somebody can fix those because these are some really nice quality and good condition, no holes anywhere shoes. We have these pants here. Always check the pockets. Make sure you are not leaving anything behind. You can feel nothing is in there. And we have this little cute shirt here. It's animal print. It's different. It's stretchy. And then we have some Tom shoes here. Again, a little discoloration, but nothing that a washing machine can't fix. And then, let's see, I think that's about it. Yeah, that's it for in here. The rest of this stuff is trash. We have the tile thing that you use when you replace your key, when you lose your keys. What's in here? Skin cleaning serum. Is it anything in there? Nope, empty. All right, so that's it, guys, for this bag. Oh, we have some batteries. You can never have enough batteries, and AAA at that. So go ahead and put that in my fanny pack. Okay. Oh, then cool. We have some wall clippers. This is a good set of clippers here, guys. Okay, so here are the wall clippers. Let's go ahead and test them out and see if they are working. Let's see. There we go. Cool.